Indulging in a Kit-Kat cheesecake offers a delightful fusion of flavors and textures. This recipe combines the creamy richness of cheesecake with the iconic crunch of Kit-Kat bars, creating a dessert that is both visually appealing and deliciously satisfying. To begin, gather the following ingredients: 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 600 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 200 milliliters of sour cream, 3 large eggs, and 150 grams of Kit-Kat bars, chopped into pieces. Start by preparing the crust. Crush the digestive biscuits into fine crumbs and mix them with melted unsalted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the base of a springform pan to create an even layer. Place the pan in the refrigerator to set while preparing the cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cream cheese and granulated sugar. Beat the mixture until smooth and creamy, ensuring there are no lumps. Add the sour cream and mix thoroughly. Incorporate the eggs, one at a time, blending well after each addition. Finally, fold in the chopped Kit-Kat pieces, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the cheesecake filling over the prepared crust, smoothing the top with a spatula. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center remains slightly jiggly. Once baked, turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside for an additional hour to cool gradually. After cooling, refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, to achieve the perfect texture. Before serving, garnish with additional Kit-Kat pieces and a drizzle of chocolate sauce, enhancing the presentation and flavor. This Kit-Kat cheesecake is sure to impress at any gathering, offering a unique twist on a classic dessert. Enjoy the delightful combination of creamy cheesecake and crunchy chocolate bars.